Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to automatically delete your browsing data when you quit the Firefox Beta browser on mobile. This feature helps protect your privacy. First, open the Firefox Beta browser on your mobile device. Once the browser is open, tap on the three-dot menu icon. Next, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, scroll through the settings until you find the option Delete Browsing Data on Quit and select it. Next, turn on the toggle to enable Delete Browsing Data on Quit. Then, choose the types of data you want the browser to delete automatically each time you exit Firefox Beta. This can include browsing history, cookies, cache, and other data, depending on your privacy preferences. Finally, once you have selected your preferred options, your browser will automatically remove the data every time you close the app. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.